Today we're gonna play the rock, paper, scissors game. And then, so first we got some water. And then we got some fish sticks, some chicken nuggets, and pizza rolls. And then over here, we have some pancit canton.
And lugaw.
And then we got
Lugaw.
rice soup.
It's a lugaw.
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 And our sauce is...
And our sauce is honey mustard and ketchup.
And then we have another player that just gonna keep eating. Right, Dede? Okay, let's start the game. We need to circle in the, the table. Okay. 1, 2, 3. How about we close our eyes? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh,
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
stop choosing rock.
One, two, three, go. Ah, you didn't know. Why is that? Oh, no, you just keep chewing. No. 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Go, 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 go.
It's me.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You finished the pancit canton.
You're not eating it.
No, I said that. Please, I'm gonna knock you.
Answer this.
Where's the lugaw, okay? Oh. Where am I not eating the lugaw? Oh, did it? Oh, you can eat the chicken nuggets. Come here, let's play. 1, 2, 3, go, did it? Here, no, get in the middle. 1, 2, 3, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It's fun.
No running, walking.
See, we got you. Then did it. 1, 2, 3, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, you don't want to.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, come on. I'll drink water.
1, 2, 3, go. Rock, did it, come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, I'm not walking. I need water.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
One.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No running. Bye, guys.
That's all for today.
Bye, guys. That's all for today.
Bye. Goodbye.
Mwah.